Hello. As you guys all know, I am world-renowned life coach Bryce Harper. I have had the pleasure of speaking with His Holiness the Dalai Lama. I've worked with certain people such as Britney Spears, Tiger Woods, O.J. Simpson, Christina Aguilera, and even Jared the Subway Guy. I've mediated disputes between world leaders. I've spoken at several world conferences. I have spoken at arenas packed with thousands and thousands of people who paid hundreds and hundreds of dollars just to hear what I have to say, but none of it compares to the honor that I have today, which is to speak to you, the graduating class, the graduating kindergarten class of Pine Hills Elementary School. So you guys should be proud of yourselves today because you guys today have accomplished something that many people cannot say that they have. You have graduated. It doesn't matter if they say that your last book seemed like it was written in crayon. It doesn't matter that they called you a has-been or a never was, or that your little methods and theories are nothing but self-age, new age hippieism. It doesn't matter that they say they can sum up your message in 6 words. You can't do it. Believe in yourself. It doesn't matter. Because you know that you made it. You know that you did it. You know that you were on top. And they can't take that away, kids. They can never take that away from me. They can never take it away from me. It doesn't matter that I'm sitting here speaking to kindergartners, not getting paid a dime for this. I'm here. I live the dream. Things have been a little bit rough for the Bryster. Just a little bit rough. My business went under, My wife, she divorced me, So now, I'm just hanging on by a thread. You know what? I'm not gonna do it today. I'm just not gonna do it today. Cause you know what? They wanted me to get up here and tell you that life is a bunch of rainbows and sunshine. Life sucks. I see what you're thinking to yourself. Oh, look at that. I'm in kindergarten. They tell me I can be whatever I want to be. My mommy says Barack Obama's president, so I can just dream for the stars. Let me tell you something, kiddies. 85 to 95% of you will fail. Okay? The other 5, so that I can support her and her loser bartender boyfriend who live in my house that I built with my hard-earned money. They get to live champagne wishes and caviar dreams. Meanwhile, I gotta suck ramen noodles out of a paper bag and a freaking Motel 6. That's life, kitty. It's just a matter of time before I decide to end it on this sorry tragedy that I call my life. Okay? That's the real kiddies. So you see, kids, life is like a milkshake. Suck it.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out our comedy video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you like that, then check out our last comedy video. It's called Poem Bashing.
My mother hands me my plate, and on it,
You can click on that right here. Also, we came out with our first music video. It's called The Cool. So you can check that out. Click on it right here. Please come out to our website, www.thecoolband.org. Once again, www.thecoolband.org to download our free demo, A Minor Affair, 5 great tracks. We want to give it to you guys free. So just go out there and download. As always, click here to subscribe. We need as many subscribers as we can get so that you guys know what's coming up. We got a lot more in store for you. As always, also follow us on Facebook and on Twitter. And from the guys in the band, just want to say thank you guys for checking this out. See you again soon sometime, and have a good night.